You can't imagine your DIY activity without a hot glue gun, can you? Find a new life hack selection with this wonderful crafting tool. Do you need a sparkly silver button to decorate your craft? Don't rush to a supply store, use your hot glue gun. Smear fatty cream over a piece of foil. Pour a ton of glitter. Spread it evenly over a small area. Squeeze hot glue on top to shape like a button. Pour the glitter until the glue's liquid. Press a little with your finger to let the sparkles attach better. The glue's cooled, we've got a sparkly disc. Shake off the excess. Let's turn the circle into a button using an awl. Pierce the disc through. Complete making the button. Prick the circle again. You can use the lovely sparkling button to embellish other crafts. You can also use it in scrapbooking or card making. Do you need to embellish a tag? You can make it with the hot glue gun. We've got a cardstock heart tag we want to decorate. Draw a floral pattern with a pencil. Let it have curves. Let's test a glitter glue stick. Green will match the pattern perfectly. Control the glue stream by hand. You can substitute the glitter stick for the blank one. When it cools, cover the pattern with nail polish and sprinkle with the glitter. You'll have to have patience to do this diligent work, but the result is worth it. You can use this fabulous heart tag as a doorknob hanger or a gift package embellishment. How do you make a brooch using hot glue and wire? It's easy. We'll need the craft wire. Let the 2 wire loops shape a butterfly wing. Carefully stretch the hot glue over the wing to make a thin film. We've got 2 pretty wings. Join them together. Form the body. Cut off the excess. Correct the antenna shape. Make them more expressive. Add a drop of the hot glue to the ends. Attach a brooch base. The marvelous butterfly looks like it has just flown off the flower. It's an easy thing to make unique jewelries using the hot glue. Make an imprint of this charming rose flower. Smear it with the fatty cream. Use a brush to spread the cream between the petals. Pour the hot glue onto the foil. Make a thick layer. Press the rose over the liquid glue. Wrap it into the foil. Wait until the glue hardens. Unwrap the foil. Remove the flower. Cut off the excess. The glue repeated all the petals' curves. Put polymer clay into the mold. Press well to imprint all the details. Carefully remove the clay from the mold. Cut off the excess. You can make a few clay roses using the same one glue mold. To complete making the earrings, we should put in the clasps. Prick the rose with the French hook pin. Now you should bake the roses. You'll find the appropriate time and temperature for baking in the instruction for the polymer clay you're using. Glue the French hooks in the cool roses. Make the necklace in the same way. We've made a rose jewelry set using the hot glue mold, and it took us just a few minutes. We can make any imprint in this way to create various small embellishments. The hot glue lets us create 3D pictures. Draw a flower on the cardboard, the stem and leaves first. Make them look like curves. Then the petals. Draw the center of the flower. Now the main part. Repeat the pencil traces with the hot glue. Cover the picture with the golden spray. Perfect! The picture with the 3D flower glows in the light. You can use this method to decorate photo frames, vases, and other design articles. Let's make another volumetric picture. Depict a rose this time. You can sketch a flower with a pencil. We'll briefly outline a few details and paint the rest. Start painting with red watercolors. Add yellow. Add some water. Mix the colors directly on the paper. Define the central part. Emphasize some petals. Paint the leaves. Outline the stem. Add the cool blue background for the contrast. We've got a gorgeous watercolor with 3D elements. It could be an awesome DIY gift for a friend. Do you want an unusual phone case? Let's make it from the filigree hearts. Wrap your phone with the foil. Press it well. Smear it with the fatty cream. Take the hot glue gun and start making beauty. Squeeze a simple pattern. We've chosen hearts. Control the glue stream by pressing over the glue stick rather than the trigger. Outline the hearts so that they touch each other. Keep in mind the sides. We've got a heart net. Leave the camera free. Be careful to fasten the sides, otherwise the phone may slip off the case. When cool, paint the hearts. Use the nail polish. Take off the case when dry. It's easier to do it with the foil. Unwrap on the back. Remove the phone. Carefully take off each detail in turn. We've made a cute romantic case using the hot glue gun quickly and easily. It's nice to touch and will protect your phone from slipping out of your hands. Do you like to use natural materials to create eco decor? This hot glue gun life hack will help you in your eco design experiments. Draw a heart on the cardboard. Place sprigs to shape the heart. Choose them to fit. Break off ones that are too long. Cool! We've made the sprig heart. Hot glue each detail. All the sprigs are attached. Erase the outline. Paint the heart with acrylic paints. Let the natural color be seen under the paint coat. This cute eco picture will add an individual touch to your room design. You can choose the size you need. We hope you enjoyed the project and found the hot glue life hacks helpful. Now you know how to make the exclusive jewelries or paint a 3D picture quickly and easily, and how to add a romantic touch to your phone with the cute heart-patterned case.
Do it! Prank wars, beauty hacks, magic tricks, we got your back. Tips, bring it in. You'll never be bored again. Slime, DIY, always a new surprise. The channel that will blow your mind.